The Best Fish Grill Baskets and A Buyer's Guide. Cooking food over the grill can be an exciting experience, especially when you are with your friends and family, and regardless of whether you are picnicking or camping. And to ensure your recipes come out right and the grilling is effortless, you will need the Best Fish Grill Baskets for cooking food over the grill. These grill baskets are specially designed with quality materials and have a non-stick coating and durable handle to make your task of grilling food easier. Keep watching, as we have reviewed a list of the best ones to help you choose. Number 1. Acmetop Portable Stainless Steel Grill Basket. Thanks to the generous cooking surface of 12.6 by 8.6 inches, this grill basket holds food for up to 3 people. It is made of durable and food-grade 304 stainless steel and features a heat-resistant, foldable, and a detachable wooden handle that offers ease of use. It is designed to evenly distribute heat, and its lockable grate helps keep foods such as vegetables, steaks, and seafood in place while grilling them. Further, this fish grill basket comes with a grill mat and a silicone sauce bottle brush for a seamless cooking experience. This item is suitable for a variety of grills. Dishwasher safe, perfectly sized grid gaps and lockable grate suitable for camping. A high-quality grilling basket. Enjoy delicious BBQ. 2 grill mat keeps your food from falling between the grates and allows for evenly grilled food every time. A silicone sauce bottle brush give you a nicer cooking experience. Carrying pouch makes storage and carry easy. Number 2. Ordora Heavy Duty Grill Basket. Ordora brings you this basket with 3 sections to help you cook 3 different food items simultaneously. If you want to cook steaks, vegetables, and fish simultaneously, but don't want to mix the flavors while placing it in the basket, this grill basket has got you covered, thanks to its wide cooking surface of 12 by 9.5 by 1.4 inches. It is made of high-quality and food-grade 304 stainless steel and features a portable and detachable wooden handle. And what's more, this basket grill is compatible with a gas grill, charcoal grill, and even infrared grill. This item is ergonomic design, removable dividers, 180-degree rotatable opening and strong soldering. Thicker, denser and stronger grill grate can perfect size to provide even heat distribution while preventing small pieces of foods from falling through grid gap. Take it in weekend, enjoy the delicious BBQ food with your friends. Number 3. Aleath Portable Grill Basket. If you are looking for a portable grill basket for your camping trips, this one from Aleath has got you covered. It is made of high-quality 304 food-grade stainless steel that does not warp or twist, making it safe to use on different types of grills. Further, it comes with an 11.5-inch long detachable, heat-resistant, and insulated wooden handle and a 13x 8.4x 0.8 cooking surface that can be used for cooking for a maximum of 3 people. The lockable design prevents food from falling off, and the grill rack can open up to 180 degrees for seamless cooking. This item is easy to store and clean, suitable for beginners, includes a 1-year warranty, comfortable grip and includes 2 sauce brushes. Number 4. Smoke and Grill Basket Value Pack. This grill's basket set from Smoke and Grill has everything you need for a hassle-free grilling experience, right from a grill basket, basting brush, and grilling gloves to even a portable case for carrying it around. The grill basket is compatible with all types of grills and can be used to grill meat, vegetables, or even s'mores, thanks to the deep and large surface. Further, the grill basket is lightweight, easy to flip, and comes with a simple locking mechanism. This item is a measurable steel grid basket, reduces food wastage, durable and sturdy design and dishwasher safe. Complete high-quality grilling value set. Conquer the grill with your own tools to help you prepare your famous BBQ recipes. The Smoke and Grill set includes a grill basket, basting brush, grilling gloves, and even a portable case for a BBQ away from home. Enjoy the ease of grilling whether meats, seafood, veggies, or even s'mores for camping night. You'll always get a perfectly even grill with the Smoke and Grill basket. Number 5. Qualitech Stainless Steel Folding Grill Basket. Qualitech brings you this versatile grill basket with a wide cooking area measuring 13.5 by 8.5 by 0.78. The grill basket can be divided into 3 sections measuring 4.5 inches each to cook food items such as seafood, chicken wings, and steaks simultaneously. It is made of rust-proof 430-grade stainless steel and features a removable wooden handle that locks to the basket for easy storage. It comes with a grill set and is also dishwasher friendly. It is also protected with a warranty to ensure top performance and quality while it is used. This item is secure flip technology, 180-degree opening, compatible with various types of grills and heat-resistant gloves included. You will feel comfortable grilling meat and veggies over an open BBQ fire or hot charcoal with these heat-resistant grilling gloves. The grill glove prevents heat and ensures your hands will be safe over the barbecue. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.